Mm. What's up, Sawadee Pops? Alright, mga Pops. Itatry natin tong bullet jellyfish. Ito, yung bullet jellyfish. Isa-sound check natin yung crispiness niya. Yan. Check natin. Alright, Sawadee Pops, samahan nyo akong itry to. At lalagyan natin siya ng hot chili sauce ng Thai. Alright, let's go. Alright, Sawadee Pops, punong-puno na siya ng hot chili sauce ng Thai. Alright, titirahin na natin to. Alright. Yan o, sarap. Okay, ito na. Try na natin. Mmm. 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 Sarap, yummy, at crunchy. Alright, Sawadee Pops. Alright, Sawadee Pops. Na-crunchy check natin. Ang crispy niya, tumutunog talaga sa loob ng iyong bibig. Yun ang tinatawag na bullet jellyfish. That is from Japan. Okay, sarap-sarap. What's up, Sawadee Pops? Alright.